I don't know what Bobby's doing with these ones right here, but I got a whole pile of other ones that are going on the next cut. As soon as this sheet is done, I'm loading it up for this right here. I'm not sure if I should say what it is yet, but it's gonna be really cool. Matter of fact, I'll probably make some sort of a YouTube video out of it. Because when they put it together, sick. Okay, so we're out in the shop. We just got done going live. We were cutting something for Bobby Gately, and now we're cutting some more stuff for Bobby Gately. This is gonna be top secret, I think. I don't know how much I can talk about it, but I'm gonna show you the process of what we're doing, and hopefully they'll let me show you what they're gonna do with it, because it looks kind of cool to me. Got some 3/16 steel here. Now I promise you, this is one of the coolest things I've ever made on my laser so far. And it's not even a finished project yet at all. Just so you know, this is not a Steve Meat design, this is a Bobby Gately design. I'm just lucky enough to have a fiber laser, and I'm lucky enough that he calls me to cut stuff once in a while. Check this thing out, totally worth it. Wait all the way to the end. Bobby's one of the smartest people I know, and he's a certified madman. Just wait to the end of this video, you'll see. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Should look something like that. This is all acrylic. Let me see the back of it. Oh.
I mean, I can't hold it like that, but that would be pretty sick.
Sick
I
as
need the
hell.
jig. If I had the jig, I could put it all together.